So the issue we had with this engine, which is a 365 GTC4 engine, is it had a big oil leak from the front cover. So it was leaking from the gasket on the front cover and leaking quite a lot. And the only way of replacing that front cover gasket really was to take the engine out, because there was a couple of other things coming up as well. So it had possible issues with valve timing and engine running not very well. So obviously we're going to do all the cam timing when that all goes back together, replace the chain. But obviously as we've taken it apart, we found a couple of other issues. One is the breather unit here, which is, as you can hear, just completely full of rust. So there's a drain pipe here that returns all the breather gases and oil and everything back to the engine. And because that's full of rust, as you can see, it's all just kind of coming out. That has filled up the sump with rust, and it's all on the intake of the oil pump. Luckily it's not gone around the engine, but it's all on the intake of the oil pump. So what we're going to have to do with this, because this is no longer available, we're going to have to cut this open, clear out all the rust, sandblast it, treat it inside, and we'll probably put a new plate on the bottom, but a plate that's we can screw on and remove and clean on a regular basis and check. And then we've got the rocker covers, which we've had sandblasted, and now we're just wrinkle finishing in black at the moment. One's already in the oven cooking. We've painted one already. There's been quite a few things wrong that we found actually when we stripped it. So the chain has got like a clip here, so you can actually undo the chain and make it into a long chain when you strip the engine. So it makes it into a long chain, but there's a clip that holds it together, which is here, and it should go through with a little clip on the one side, and then there should be a locking clip, and that locking clip was completely missing. So well worth taking it apart, because obviously eventually that was going to come out and come away, and then the chain would have come off. We also had a problem with the front cover. You've got like a oil pump on the front here, and we had these pulleys were around the wrong way. So they're two different size pulleys, and they were around the wrong way. So we're going to have to sort that out when it goes back together.